Hey there, travel lovers. Ready to discover a country that's bursting with luxury, adventure, and unique experiences? Qatar is calling, and trust me, it's about to blow your mind. Get ready for a whirlwind of futuristic skyscrapers, endless deserts, shimmering gold markets, and memories you'll treasure forever. This is your ultimate guide to Qatar. Let's dive in. Qatar is a land of contrasts where ancient traditions meet modern marvels. From the moment you step off the plane, you'll be captivated by its vibrant energy and luxurious vibe. Whether you're looking to relax on pristine beaches, explore ancient forts, or shop till you drop in dazzling souks, Qatar has it all. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey through this fascinating country. I'm your friendly guide, and I'm here to spill all the insider tips and tricks to make your Qatar adventure truly epic. Qatar is a country that effortlessly blends old-world charm with modern sophistication. Imagine strolling through traditional souks, where the air is filled with the aroma of spices and the sound of haggling merchants. Then, in a blink, you find yourself surrounded by towering skyscrapers and futuristic architecture. Qatar is a melting pot of cultures where you'll encounter people from all walks of life. The Qatari people are known for their warm hospitality, and you'll feel welcomed from the moment you arrive. Get ready to experience a world of flavors as we dive into Qatar's delicious cuisine, influenced by flavors from the Middle East, Asia, and beyond. But wait, there's more. Qatar is also an adventure seeker's paradise. Picture yourself speeding across towering sand dunes on a thrilling desert safari, or feeling the adrenaline rush as you ride a camel through the vast desert landscape. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the hidden gems and unforgettable experiences that await you in this captivating country. So, are you ready to discover the magic of Qatar? Let's go. All right, adventurers, let's kick things off in Doha, the vibrant capital of Qatar. This city is a fascinating blend of old and new, where towering skyscrapers cast shadows on ancient mosques and traditional souks. Get ready to be amazed by the unique energy of the city that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. 1 minute, you could be wandering through the labyrinthine alleys of Souk Waqif, and the next, you'll be gazing up at the futuristic skyline of West Bay. Doha is a city that will keep you on your toes, constantly surprising you with its hidden gems. It's a city with a rich history and culture, evident in its museums and art galleries. Whether you're a history buff or an art enthusiast, Doha has something for everyone. So, get your walking shoes ready and prepare to be captivated by the unique charm of Doha. Now, let's talk about luxury, because Qatar knows how to do it right. Get ready to be blown away by the Pearl Qatar, a man-made island that's a playground for the rich and fabulous. Think luxury apartments, designer boutiques, fancy cars, and a marina filled with yachts. Imagine strolling along the marina sipping on a latte and watching the sun glint off those yachts, or indulging in retail therapy at designer stores. The Pearl Qatar is all about experiencing the finer things in life. Alright, art lovers, this one's for you. Immerse yourself in the vibrant art and culture scene at Qatar Cultural Village, a melting pot of creativity with theaters, galleries, and an open-air amphitheater. Catch a live performance under the stars. Qatar is a feast for the senses. And don't miss the beautiful beach for a perfect day out. Qatar Cultural Village is a must-visit destination in Qatar. Hold onto your hats, history buffs and architecture nerds, because the National Museum of Qatar is about to blow your mind. This place isn't just a museum, it's an architectural marvel designed to look like a giant desert rose. Trust me, you'll be snapping photos from every angle. Inside, you'll journey through Qatar's history, from its ancient Bedouin roots to its modern-day wonders. Interactive exhibits, fascinating artifacts, and even a recreated traditional Qatari village bring the past to life. It's educational and awe-inspiring all at once. But it's not just about what's inside. The museum's location on Doha's waterfront offers breathtaking views of the city skyline. Grab a coffee at the cafe, find a shady spot, and soak in the beauty of it all. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or simply appreciate incredible architecture, the National Museum of Qatar is a must-visit. It's a testament to Qatar's rich heritage and its vision for the future. Alright, thrill seekers, it's time to trade those cityscapes for sand dunes. No trip to Qatar is complete without experiencing the magic of the desert. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping adventure you won't forget. First up, dune bashing. Picture yourself flying over towering sand dunes, the wind whipping through your hair. It's a roller coaster ride through the desert. Don't worry, experienced drivers will be at the wheel. After all that excitement, how about a taste of traditional Bedouin life? Hop on a camel and enjoy a leisurely ride through the desert. As the sun sets, you'll feel a sense of peace and wonder. Gather around a bonfire at a traditional Bedouin camp. Enjoy a delicious barbecue dinner and sip on sweet Arabic tea. Listen to captivating stories of desert life. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave the desert. Section 3. Banana Island. Your private paradise awaits. Ready for some serious relaxation? Then pack your swimsuit and hop on a ferry to Banana Island, a slice of paradise just a short boat ride from Doha. This crescent-shaped island is home to luxurious resorts, overwater bungalows, and pristine beaches. Basically, everything you need to escape the hustle and bustle. Imagine yourself lounging on a private beach, the warm sand between your toes, a refreshing drink in hand, and nothing but the sound of the waves crashing on the shore. Sounds pretty perfect, right? But Banana Island is more than just a pretty face. You can get active with a range of water sports, from snorkeling and diving to kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding. Or how about a round of golf on the island's championship course? And if you're feeling extra fancy, treat yourself to a luxurious spa treatment or indulge in a delicious seafood feast at one of the island's upscale restaurants. Banana Island is the perfect place to unwind, recharge, and create unforgettable memories. When to experience Qatar's magic? When's the best time to experience this desert paradise? Qatar has scorching summers and mild winters. Visit from November to March for cooler weather. Enjoy outdoor adventures without breaking a sweat. Summers are intense, often exceeding 100 degrees, but you can snag great deals in summer. Pack light clothing, sunscreen, and a hat. And don't forget sunglasses. Section 2. Navigating the basics: currency, dress code, and getting around. Now let's get down to the practical stuff. Qatar's currency is the Qatari riyal. And yes, it's a pretty strong currency. But don't worry, you'll find ATMs readily available, and credit cards are widely accepted in most places. When it comes to what to wear, Qatar is a Muslim country, so it's important to dress respectfully. Keep it modest, covering your shoulders and knees, especially when visiting religious sites. Lightweight, loose-fitting clothing is your best bet for staying comfortable in the desert heat. Getting around Qatar is a breeze, thanks to its efficient and affordable transportation system. Uber and taxis are readily available and super convenient for zipping around the city. Plus, Doha has a modern metro system that's clean, safe, and connects you to major attractions. If you're feeling adventurous and want to explore at your own pace, renting a car is also an option. Just remember, Qataris drive on the right side of the road, and traffic in Doha can get a bit congested during peak hours. Section 3. Respecting traditions, etiquette tips, and a hydration hack. Now, let's talk about etiquette. Qataris are known for their warm hospitality, but like any country, it's important to be mindful of local customs. Public displays of affection are a no-no, and it's considered polite to remove your shoes before entering someone's home or a mosque. When offered refreshments like Arabic coffee or dates, it's polite to accept, even if you just take a small sip or bite. It's a sign of hospitality and respect. And speaking of respect, always use your right hand when greeting someone, eating, or passing objects. It's considered the polite thing to do. Now for a pro tip that'll save you in the desert heat. Stay hydrated. Seriously, I can't emphasize this enough. Carry a reusable water bottle with you at all times, and refill it whenever you can. Trust me, your body will thank you for it, especially after a day of exploring in the sun. Now, let's talk about something super important, especially when you're traveling to a new place: safety. And guess what? Qatar consistently ranks as one of the safest countries in the world. Yep, you heard that right. So, you can relax, unwind, and enjoy your trip, knowing that you're in good hands. Qatar takes safety very seriously, with a low crime rate and a strong police presence, especially in tourist areas. You can walk around at night without feeling uneasy, and solo female travelers will feel particularly safe and comfortable exploring on their own. Of course, it's always important to be aware of your surroundings and take common sense precautions, just like you would anywhere else. But overall, you can breathe easy, knowing that Qatar is a safe and welcoming destination for travelers from all walks of life. So, whether you're traveling solo, with your family, or with a group of friends, you can relax and enjoy the magic of Qatar without worrying about your safety. It's a place where you can truly let your guard down and embrace the adventure. Qatar. Your perfect match awaits. So, who is Qatar perfect for? Well, the answer is pretty much everyone. It's a destination that truly has something to offer every type of traveler. Are you all about that luxury travel life? Qatar is calling your name. From high-end resorts and designer boutiques to Michelin-starred dining and exclusive experiences, Qatar knows how to pamper its guests in style. Traveling with the fam? Qatar's got you covered. Theme parks, water parks, family-friendly beaches, and even camel rides in the desert will keep everyone entertained, from the littlest explorers to the young at heart. Culture vultures, get ready to be wowed. Qatar is a melting pot of cultures with stunning mosques, vibrant souks, and world-class museums, showcasing Islamic art and Qatari heritage. And for you adventure junkies, buckle up. Dune bashing, desert safaris, kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, Qatar's got the adrenaline rush you crave. No matter what kind of traveler you are, Qatar has something special in store for you. So, what are you waiting for? Wow, we've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? From the futuristic skyscrapers of Doha to the endless expanse of the desert, Qatar is a country that will leave you breathless. We've explored ancient traditions in bustling souks, marveled at architectural wonders like the National Museum of Qatar, and felt the adrenaline rush of Dune bashing through the desert. We've talked about the luxurious side of Qatar, from its high-end shopping and dining to its stunning resorts and overwater bungalows. But beyond the glitz and glamour, we've also uncovered the heart and soul of this fascinating country. We've seen the warm hospitality of its people, the rich tapestry of cultures, and the breathtaking beauty of its natural landscapes. So, what are you waiting for? Qatar is calling, and it's time to answer the call of adventure. Whether you're seeking luxury, culture, adventure, or a little bit of everything, Qatar has something special in store for you. Imagine yourself strolling through the vibrant souks, haggling for treasures, and sipping on sweet Arabic coffee. Picture yourself gazing up at the futuristic architecture of Doha, marveling at how tradition and modernity coexist so seamlessly. Feel the thrill of dune bashing through the desert, the wind whipping through your hair as you conquer those towering sand dunes. And as the sun sets, casting a warm glow over the desert landscape, imagine yourself enjoying a traditional Bedouin feast under a starlit sky. Qatar is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. It's a place that will challenge your perceptions, ignite your senses, and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. So, start planning your Qatari adventure today. Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the magic of Qatar for yourself. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. Until next time, happy travels.